Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tuna pasta. And these are the ingredients you need. 375 gram penne, 2 cans of tuna, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, parmesan cheese, water, Italian seasoning, oil, salt, cream, and milk. Okay, now we're going to start boiling the water. I have 3/4 pot of water. While we're waiting for the water to boil, in the meantime we are chopping the onions and the garlic. I'm washing the onions so it's less irritating to my eyes. Dice the onion. And just mince it. Okay, the water is boiling, so I'm going to put in the pasta. Cook the pasta according to the package or cook it to your liking. Open the tuna, drain the water. Squeeze it all out and do the same with the other can. I'm using medium heat. My pan is hot. About a tablespoon of oil. Adding in the onion and garlic. Cook it until it's golden brown. Add in the tuna. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2/3 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of milk. I'm using 2% milk, but you can use whole milk or skim milk, it's your choice. I'm adding in 1/2 cup of cream. And just cook until it's boiling. Okay, now the cream is boiling. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese. Add in the pasta and then just mix it all up. If it's not salty enough for you, you can always add more salt. Okay, if it's too watery, then just continue cooking until the cream absorbs to the pasta. My stove is shut off. All the cream has been absorbed by the pasta, so I'm going to put some on the plate to show you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.